हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 सोशल स्टडीज़ का चैप्टर 3 लैंडफॉर्म्स एंड लाइफ करने वाले हैं। उसके हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको चैप्टर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर और एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। मैंने अपने चैनल पर हर सब्जेक्ट की प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है। अगर आप किसी भी वीडियो को देखना चाहते हैं तो चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए चैप्टर शुरू करते हैं। तो हम करेंगे इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट आर द मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म्स एंड देयर सिग्निफिकेंस, लाइफ एंड कल्चर। इसका आंसर है द मेजर टाइप ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म्स एंड देयर सिग्निफिकेंस इन लाइफ एंड कल्चर आर एज फॉलोज। Mountains, they are large landforms that rise prominently above their surroundings. Their significance is that it affects the climate and weather patterns, provide fresh water from rivers and streams originating in mountains. It considered scarce in various cultures. It is home to unique flora and fauna. Plains, they are large areas of flat or gently rolling land. It is ideal for farming due to fertile soil, easy to build infrastructure, leading to dense human settlements. Plain areas are cultural and economic hubs due to ease of transportation and trade. Plateaus, they are elevated flatlands that rise sharply above the surrounding area. They are rich in mineral and often sites for mining. They are suitable for certain types of agriculture and livestock grazing. Plateaus are home to unique ecosystems and sometimes isolated community with distinct cultures. Hills, they are elevated landforms that are smaller than mountains. They are used for terraced farming, provide scenic views, and are popular for tourism. Many historical sites and ancient structures are located on hills. Deserts, they are arid regions with little perceptions and sparse vegetation. In deserts, there is extreme temperature and harsh living conditions, but it is rich in minerals like oil and natural gas and home to unique cultures and traditions adapted to the harsh environment. Valleys, they are low areas between hills or mountains, often with a river running through them. Valleys are fertile land due to river deposits, ideal for farming, provide natural protection and resources for communities. Often they cradle or ancient civilizations due to the availability of water and fertile soil. Question 2. What are the challenges and opportunities of life associated with each landform? इसका आंसर है the challenges and opportunities of life associated with each landforms are mountains. Mountains areas are more suitable to natural hazards and disasters such as avalanches, landslides, cloudbursts, and flash floods. Mountains are very steep and rugged, which can impact daily life. Agriculture also opportunities. Mountains are the source house of natural beauty with fertile soil. Second, plateaus. One of them, the main challenges of plateau is the outgoing erosion of their surface. The erosion can let a patchy landscape which can hinder the development of agriculture and construction of infrastructure like roads. Third, the plains are ideal for growing crops of all kind. Agriculture is major economic occupation in the landforms. Plains also support a variety of flora and fauna. For next question, these images Depict a few challenges that people living in the mountains may face. Discuss them in groups in the class and write one paragraph on each. Also discuss why, despite many such challenges, people still choose to live in the mountains. इसका आंसर है at higher altitudes, their air becomes thinner and the pressure of oxygen decreases, thus breathing becomes difficult on mountains. On the mountains, weather is very harsh like colds and a bit of more colder, and there is more chance of wildfire. In many places, people depend on mountains for water, either coming from melting snow or ice or from mountain spring which lead the rivers. But surviving in harsh climate of mountain can be tough, and it can be the hard to grow enough food there. Still, people live there, and as it their habitat, and they are used to live in such weather from generations. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यूज द कलर कोड इन द मैप गिवन बिलो एंड a landform to each name for instance Tibetan Plateau, Rocky Range, Nile Plain. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, इसका आंसर आप खुद करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 3, अ पिक्चर is taken from a satellite. It captures a portion of North India from a high altitude. Observe and discuss the image as a class activity. तो इसमें पहला क्वेश्चन, विच कलर इज द गंगा प्लेन. इसका आंसर है ग्रीन. सेकंड, व्हाट डज द वाइट एक्सपेंस रिप्रेजेंट. इसका आंसर है स्नो. व्हाट डज द ब्राउन एक्सपेंस एट द बॉटम लेफ्ट ऑफ द इमेज रिप्रेजेंट. इसका आंसर है हिमालयाज. क्वेश्चन 4, कैन यू गिव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिवर सोर्सेज और कन्फ्लुएंसेस फ्रॉम योर रीजन दैट आर रिगार्डेड स्कैर्ड बाय एनी कम्युनिटी. इसका आंसर है रिवर आर द मेन सोर्स ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर. आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द रीजन वेयर आई एम लिविंग. रिवर गंगा passes from a nearby place. Cool air blows in the morning. Birds are chirping. The water is flowing with the great speed with the full enthusiasm. Fisherman catches hold of the fish. Children are enjoy near the bank of the river. They have their pet animals also with them. Question 5. Visit a nearby river and observe all activities there, whether economic or cultural. Note them down and discuss with your classmates. तो ये आपको खुद करना है. Question 6. Name some popular tourist destinations in India and identify the category from landform they are associated with. इसका आंसर, some popular tourist destinations in India and their landforms are as follows: Lake Old Desert, Mussoorie Mountains, Thar Safari, Hot Desert, Kochi Sea Coast, Varanasi Plains. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट इज स्नो. इसका आंसर है स्नो इज द परसेप्शन ऑफ वाटर इन अ सॉलिड स्टेट. Question, next question, what are the western to the eastern oceans? Can you locate them as well as the Lord of Mountains? इसका आंसर है oceans. Western Ocean, the Arabian Sea lies to the west of the India. Eastern Ocean, the Bay of Bengal is to the east of India. Mountains, Western India, the Western Ghats run along the western coast of India. Eastern India, the Eastern Ghats run around the eastern coast of India. Northern India, the Himalayas are the northern part of India, forming a natural border with countries like Nepal and China. फिर next question, why is Ganga mentioned? Hint, there could be several reasons. इसका आंसर है गंगा is the sacred river of Hindus and personified as the goddess Ganga. She is worshipped by Hindu who believe that bathing in the river causes the remission of sins. For next question, in your type of landform, in your town, village, city located, which features mentioned in the chapter do you see around you? इसका आंसर है I am living in town where the landform is quite plain. We can do agriculture work on this land as the soil is quite fertile. Black soil is found on the very large scale, so we can do the cultivation of cotton and on a very large scale. Farmers are growing crops on large scale as they are have their own lands nearby the river. For next question, let us go back to our initial trip from Chota Nagpur to Prayagraj and Almora. Describe the three landforms you can come across on the way. इसका आंसर है द छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू इज अ plateau in eastern India which covers much of the Jharkhand state, adjacent part of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal and Bihar. Prayagraj is the one of the most ancient and scared town of India based on the river Ganga plains. It is known for confluence of three rivers. Almora lies in the beautiful Kumaon mountain range. For question 3, list a few pilgrimage spots in India along with the landform in which they are found. इसका आंसर है some of the eminent pilgrimage destination in India include ancient and revered destinations such as Rishikesh, Mathura, Haridwar, Dwarka, Varanasi, Tirupati, Amritsar, Nashik, Kanyakumari, Kolhapur, Rameshwaram, Shirdi, Puri, landform of Haridwar. It is covered by mountains, hills, rivers, tall trees are the real beauty. Weather is quite chilled. Holy river is flowing there, River Ganga. People used to take holy dips in this river to get rid of their sins. Rishikesh, it is also covered by the mountain hills. All around the area, green is there. It is a place which is always overcrowded by the people. The major landform are mountains. They are very tall and weather is quite chilled in winter and moderate in summer. Next question 4, state weather, true or false? So the Himalayas are young mountains with rounded tops. ये false है. Second, plateaus usually rise sharply at least on one side. ये भी false है. Third, mountains and hills belong to the same type of landforms. ये true है. Fourth, mountain plateaus and rivers in India have the same type of flora and fauna. ये false है. Ganga is the tributary to the Yamuna. ये भी false है. Sixth, deserts have unique flora and fauna. ये true है. Seventh, melting snow feeds river. ये true है. Eighth, sediments from river deposited in the plain makes the land fertile. ये true है. All deserts are hot. ये false है. फिर next question, match words in Paris pairs. तो आपको इनको मैच करना है. माउंट एवरेस्ट, क्लाइंबिंग, राफ्टिंग, रिवर, कैमल्स, डेजर्ट, प्लेट्यू, रूफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, गैंगेटिक प्लेन्स, गंगा, वाटरवे, राइस फील्ड, माउंट किलिमंजारो, अफ्रीका, यमुना, ट्रिब्यूटरी. अब हम करेंगे इसके एमसीक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन 1, माउंटेन्स कैन बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, steep slopes. Question 2, highlands with a lower height, less steep slopes and rounded tops are called. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, hills. Question 3, most Aconcagua is the highest peak of. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, सी, Andes. Question 4, at higher altitudes the trees give way to. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, grasses, mosses and lynches. Question 5, dash is the Indian name of the largest river originating in Himalayas. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, गंगा. Question 6, African plateau is famous for. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, gold और diamond. Question 7, food plains are one type of plains formed by. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, river. Question 8, plains also support a variety of dash and dash. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, flora and fauna. Question 9, the Himalayas are young mountains with peaks. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, sharp. Question 10, the Andes mountains are located in which continent. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, साउथ अमेरिका. Question 11, dash is the tallest in the world, attracts climbers globally. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, माउंट एवरेस्ट. Question 12, Which highland refers to as the roof of the world influences the climate of Asia? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी टाइबेटन प्लेट्यू। क्वेश्चन 13, अबाउट 40 करोड़ पीपल ऑफ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया लिव इन द प्लेन्स ऑफ, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी गंगा। क्वेश्चन 14, विच डेजर्ट इज ऑल्सो नोन फॉर इट्स वाइब्रेंट कल्चर प्रैक्टिस इंक्लूडिंग फोल्क सॉन्ग एंड लीजेंड्स इन इंडिया, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी थार डेजर्ट। क्वेश्चन 15, which famous waterfall located on the Zamri River is known for its scenic beauty? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी विक्टोरिया फॉल्स। क्वेश्चन 16, which plateau is known for its fertile soil, black soil and volcanic origin? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी डेक्कन प्लेट्यू। क्वेश्चन 17, mountains are considered red, scattered in many traditions. Which mountain is considered holy as हिंदू एंड बुद्धिस्ट? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी माउंट कैलाश। क्वेश्चन 18, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ डेजर्ट नेमली हॉट एंड कोल्ड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द कोल्ड डेजर्ट? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी गोबी डेजर्ट। क्वेश्चन 19, द इन एशियंट तमिल संगम पोइट्री विच लैंडफॉर्म इज एसोसिएटेड विद कैटल रेयरिंग? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी मुलाय। क्वेश्चन 20, विच रीजन इन इंडिया इज द होम टू द फेमस हुंड्रू फॉल्स? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी चिरंजीपुरी। क्वेश्चन 21, डैश इज द मोस्ट सुटेबल फॉर लार्ज स्केल एग्रीकल्चर ड्यू टू इज फर्टाइल सॉइल? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन 22, द एलिवेटेड लैंडफॉर्म इज ऑफ्टन रिच इन मिनरल रिसोर्सेज एंड सपोर्टिंग माइनिंग, आइडेंटिफाई द लैंडफॉर्म? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी प्लेट्यूज। तो यहाँ पे वीडियो ख़त्म होती है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको चैप्टर 4 करवाऊँगी। तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।